Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur Irwin's French Class. In today's video, we are going to test your knowledge of the French adjectives with a 10-question quiz. Adjectives are very special words that we use to modify and describe things and people we talk about. This can be about size, shape, weight, colors, nationalities. Since French is a gender-based language, adjectives agree in gender and number with the noun they qualify. Masculine singular is the default form in French grammar, to which, in their regular form, we add an E for feminine and an S for plural. Of course, there are many irregular adjectives that I listed in this video. You may want to watch it before taking this quiz. And before we start, please just take a second to give a thumbs up and subscribe if not done yet. It really helps small channels like mine to get more visibility. In this quiz, you will need to modify the adjective in brackets given in the default form masculine singular. C'est parti. Numéro 1, elle est, and the adjective in brackets is the adjective of nationality, français. So you need to agree that adjective in gender and number with the noun and here the subject that it qualifies. 5 seconds. Et la réponse est, elle est française. That's right, with an E at the end. Okay, the E of feminine. Elle est française, which is going to affect the pronunciation. Français, masculine. Française, féminine. Numéro 2, mes profs sont très, and the adjective is sympathique. You have 5 seconds. Et la réponse est, mes profs sont très sympathiques with an S. Here, nothing irregular, it's perfectly regular. Plural form, you add an S, that's it. Numéro 3, je porte des lunettes and the adjective of color vert in brackets, 5 seconds. Et la réponse est, je porte des lunettes, and be careful, lunettes is feminine and here plural, feminine and plural, you need to add an E and an S to vert. It's going to be pronounced as verte. Je porte des lunettes vertes. Numéro 4, je mets souvent des chaussettes and the adjective is again a color, marron, which is brown, okay? Chaussette is feminine and plural. So how are you going to spell it? 5 seconds. Et la réponse est, je mets souvent des chaussettes marron. And if you see at the end, there is no S. That adjective is invariable. Okay, it doesn't change. That's a rule in French for colors. So usually you add an E for feminine and S for plural. But with colors that also are used as nouns, like marron, it's also chestnut. There is also noisette, which is hazelnut, and orange, which is, well, orange and orange. So for these colors, be careful, they are invariable, so they don't change, don't add any S, okay? Numéro 5, elle est, and the adjective is heureux. 5 seconds. Et la réponse est, elle est heureuse. Okay, so this adjective is part of the irregular ones, okay? So the E-U-X ending in the masculine will change into euse, E-U-S-E, pronounced as euse. Courageux, courageuse, heureux, heureuse. Numéro 6, elles sont très professionnelles is the adjective. Here you want to agree in gender and number. You have 5 seconds. Et la réponse est, elles sont très professionnelles. And the spelling, you need to double the L and add an E, okay? And that ending is also an irregular one. Okay, so to switch from the masculine to the feminine, you need to double the L and add an extra E, and you would add an S for the plural, which is the case here. Elles sont très professionnelles, but the pronunciation doesn't change. Numéro 7, elles sont, and the adjective is sportif. 5 seconds. Et la réponse est, elles sont sportives. Yeah, that's right. So the if ending in the masculine will change into the eve ending in the feminine. You add an S for plural, and there it is. Numéro 8, mes voyages ont tous été génial is the adjective you want here to agree in gender and number. Voyage is masculine because of its ending. Age ending nouns, all masculine. Mes voyages ont tous été génial is your adjective. 5 seconds. Et la réponse est mes voyages ont tous été géniaux. Yes, the al ending will turn into o in the plural masculine form. Génial, géniaux, A-U-X. Numéro 9, ma fille est assez, and the adjective is rêveur, which is dreamy. You have 5 seconds. Et la réponse est ma fille est assez rêveuse. So the ending in the masculine will turn into euse. Ma fille est assez rêveuse. And number 10, ma fille est très mignon is the adjective. It means cute. What is its form in the feminine? 5 seconds. Et la réponse est ma fille est très mignonne. So here you need to double the N and add an extra E, mignon, and the pronunciation is going to be affected. Mignonne, mignon, mignonne. Voilà les amis, c'est tout pour cette vidéo. Let me know your score in the comments and what was the hardest adjective for you. If your score was a bit low, don't worry, it's not too late. You can still check out my videos and you will know everything after that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps small channels like mine to get some more visibility. Au revoir à plus. Ciao.